This isn't your average remodel. 1601 North Baker Street brings modern vibes to classic charm in the heart of Stockton. Step inside and you instantly feel the fresh updates, from the luxury vinyl plank flooring that flows seamlessly throughout, to the open-air layout filled with natural light. The kitchen, it's a total showstopper. Black appliances, a built-in wine fridge, and striking quartz countertops with a waterfall edge. It's sleek, bold, and ready for your next dinner party. Big windows flood the space with light, giving this home such a warm and inviting feel. Both bathrooms were designed with modern luxury in mind. Clean lines, elegant finishes, and that spa-like touch you'll love every day. Downstairs, you've got a fully finished basement, man cave, game room, home gym. You can make it whatever you want. If you're into unique homes with personality and polish, this one needs to be on your must-see list. For more information or a private tour, call me. My name is Perla Perez. And remember, who you hire as a realtor matters.